Hello everyone, this is a simple tutorial to tell you the rules for writing string, uh, a text in Python. You can use double or single quote to write on any string or define any text type in Python. So for example, you can see I've defined a variable f name for the first name and I've written a name there with single quote. Then I have written a variable for last name with the name L name, and I have defined a name there in double quote. And I've used an age variable to write down a number there. Okay. If I'll check the type of these variables, starting with F name, that's the first name, and then I'm checking the type of last name variable, L name. And lastly, I'm checking the type of age variable using type function. So it will show me the data type of all these three variables. Let's check it. I'm running the program, and as you can see that it's showing that the first name, the data type of first name is string, the data type of last name is string, and the data type of age is integer. So that's perfect. That's because it is like that. However, if 18 is a number only because it is without a double or quote or a single quote. If I put it here a single quote, what will happen? It will be converted into a string type, even if it's a number. Let's run the program and check it again. And if you check now, you can see all the three variables are of string type, even the age also. Why the age is string type? Because I have written the value, I have assigned a value to age in the form of single quote or double quote. So that single quote and double quote make a thing string, and it makes a value an integer. So these two values are string only because of this single quote and double quote. Sometimes we want to write down a long multi-line value. For example, I'm using aim as a variable and I'm writing a long sentence here. I want to become a doctor. Then I'm saying enter because I want to write on a multi-lines. You must be wondering why. I'm learning programming then. Okay, now I've written a text, but I have written a double quote. So you can see it's not working because the first line is green, showing that it's a text value, but the second line is white, showing that maybe it's a variable name. Let's run it and see what will happen. So if I'll run it, you can see it's showing a syntax error. I want to become a doctor. It's running the first line, but it's not showing any other thing. It's showing that it's a syntax error. We can print a a multi-line text by writing the value in triple quote. So you can see as soon as I've written triple single quote, you can even write down in triple double quote also. So look here, I've written it. Now if I'll print aim, so everything in aim that is two line text, it will run easily without an error. You can see here, I want to become a doctor. You must be wondering why I'm learning programming then. And the interesting part is that because I've written it as a multi-line, so it's becoming in two lines, like first line written, then entered, and the next line. Isn't it cool? So you can write on multi-line text only by instead of single quotes, you can write down triple quotes. So look here, if I'm using double quotation mark 3 times, and it is working. Isn't it cool? Run it again, and yes, it's running without an error. Okay, uh, that is that's all for today. How to write on the multi-line comment. If you want to write on something which is you want to write down something else, okay, I think this is cool enough for the lesson today. See you. Bye. Try this.